Selamat datang ke di Kota Makassar, selamat datang di Kota Daeng.
There are many stories that can begin here, in the city that preserves the past and opens the door to a bright future. The adventure starts here. Indulging in delightful local flavor is the essence of every travel experience. Savoring each delectable bite is the perfect way to embrace the adventure in this city. Behind the pleasure experience is a diligent hand. Diligently creating art that touches the heart. Narrating proud stories behind every touch. Depicting a rich heritage in every line and color. Celebrating beauty in every implied detail. And expressing creativity from different perspectives. Expressing creativity without limits. Becoming real and inspiring works. Genuine inspiration that stirs the deepest of souls. Seeking meaning in every step. Meaningful step by step. Creating a beautiful moment to celebrate the adventure in this historic city. A city that continues to preserve heritage in its unique diversity at every corner. A city that silently witnesses countless journeys. A city that values free expression in every captivating work. Celebrate your adventure in this city. Discover a home full of inspiration for unforgettable journeys.
Choose your warm-hearted experience. Choose to explore Makassar.